Still scrolling through a massive PDF just to get rid of one page? Manually hunting it down page by page, hoping some random tool doesn't charge you for it? That ends today. In this video, I'll show you how to remove any page from any PDF in seconds, completely free. No downloads, no subscriptions. Let's get into it. Here's a situation most of us have been in. You've got a PDF. Could be a report, an assignment, a contract, a proposal, and somewhere in there is a page that shouldn't be. Maybe it's a blank page at the end. Maybe it's a confidential page you don't want to share. Maybe it's extra content that just doesn't belong. So what do? You go searching for a tool online. Half of them ask you to download software. The other half want you to pay for a subscription just to delete one page. And if you're a student, a freelancer, or a working professional, you don't have time for that. You shouldn't have to pay for something this simple. There has to be a better way. And there is. Solution intro. That better way is Vela PDF. It's a free, fully online PDF tool that lets you remove pages from any PDF file instantly. No installation required. No account needed. No hidden charges. Just open the website, upload your file, select the pages you want gone, and download your clean, updated PDF. That's it. Vela PDF is fast, secure, and works perfectly on both mobile and desktop. Whether you're sitting at your office desk or working from your phone on the go, this tool has you covered. Step-by-step demo. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. It could not be simpler. Step 1. Open your browser and go to Vela PDF. The link is right there in the description below. Step 2. On the home page, select the Remove PDF Pages tool and click it. Step 3. Click Upload File and choose the PDF you want to edit. I'm uploading my file right now. Watch how fast it loads. Step 4. Once your PDF is uploaded, you'll see a preview of all your pages. Just click on the pages you want to remove. You can select one page, multiple pages, or even a whole range. It's completely visual. You can see exactly what you're deleting before you confirm anything. Step 5. Once you've selected everything you want gone, hit the Remove button. And Step 6. In just a few seconds, your updated PDF is ready. Click Download, and it's saved to your device. That's the entire process. 6 steps, under a minute. No stress, no confusion, no cost. Vela PDF does the heavy lifting. You just...
Now, let me tell you why VelaPDF is the tool you should be using for this, because not all PDF tools are created equal. First, it's lightning fast. We're talking seconds, not minutes. No waiting around for slow processing. Second, it's 100% free. No trial period, no hidden upgrade prompts. Free means free. Third, no sign-up required. You don't need to create an account or hand over your email address. Just open and use. Fourth, it works on mobile and desktop. Whether you're on a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, VelaPDF runs smoothly in any browser. Fifth, your files stay private and secure. Your documents are processed safely and not stored or shared. Your privacy is protected. And sixth, 0 software downloads. Nothing to install, nothing to update, nothing to uninstall later. It lives entirely in your browser. Honestly, what more could you ask for? And this tool is useful for literally everyone. Students, remove extra notes, rough draft pages, or unnecessary appendix pages before submitting assignments. Professionals, clean up reports, strip out internal pages before sharing with clients, or trim down long documents. Freelancers, edit client documents quickly without going back and forth or spending money on premium software. Whatever your situation, if there's a page in your PDF that doesn't belong, VelaPDF gets rid of it in seconds. Ready to try it yourself? It takes less than 60 seconds and costs you absolutely nothing. Click the link in the description right now. Go to VelaPDF, upload your PDF, and remove those unwanted pages instantly. Clean PDF, 0 hassle, completely free. Don't overthink it. Just try it once and you'll never use another tool again. If this video saved you time or made your work a little easier today, I'd love it if you hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need these kinds of tools. And if you want to keep discovering free tools that actually make your digital life smoother and faster, subscribe and turn on notifications. I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching. Now go clean up that PDF. See you in the next one.